stuck with an annoying watermark in your video like this? Well, you can turn this into this. Stick with Bun to learn how to do this for free. I'm trying to monetize my channel this year, so please make sure to support me. Now, head over to this website, media.io. We'll use it to remove the watermark. Click on sign up for free and create a free account. Then, scroll down a little bit until you find watermark remover. Select this option, and you'll land on this interface. This tool is called Eraser, an AI watermark remover for images and videos. You can download it to your PC or try it online. For now, we'll stick with the online version. Here you get different options, such as image or video object remover, TikTok watermark remover, and image text remover. We're going to stick with the first one. Make sure to log into your account before proceeding. Then, click on this Upload Here button, or drag and drop your video file here. After uploading the video, you'll see a brush tool like this. You can adjust the size of the brush here. I'm increasing the size a bit. Next, select the area you want to remove from the video, and click on the Remove Objects Now button. It'll take a few moments to process. After a couple of minutes, the processing is done. You can watch or download the video, watermark free. This was the video before, and this is the video after removing the watermark. No blurriness whatsoever. The resolution of the video might not be perfect, but don't worry. There's also a tool to enhance the video quality. If you want to learn about that, let me know in the comments.